Hello guys, what is up? In this video, after a long time, I'm not going to work on our search engine project, but I'm going to work on something legendary, which is a pedestrian classifier program. I don't know what you may call that. Okay. Imagine this photo, which I believe is from a Beatles album, Abbey Road, if I'm not wrong. These guys actually took this photo from, a crosswalk, but all of these guys are pedestrians. And imagine we are engineers working in Tesla or any other, I guess, self-driving car manufacturing company, and what we want is actually to detect pedestrians and generate a warning, or just tell the driver how many pedestrians we detected, or just prevent the car from crashing with the pedestrians on the crosswalk or anywhere else. By the way, it's not a good choice of photo because it's a very special photo. If you want to test this concept, please go ahead and test the code on many different pictures. So what we need is a HAARCASCADE classifier, which is an XML file. You can see it's available on opencv's repository. I have downloaded it from the same repository. We have no business here to do with this XML file, but if you want to go what happens there, you can go and just get your information from opencv documentations. You also can train your own classifiers. So here, let me create a main.py file. So the very first thing I'm going to do is importing CV2. You know why? Because CV2 is the opencv. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to open my image. So cv2.imread pedestrians.jpg. And here we are doing this. Actually, let me call this HUD or heads up display and add the wait key. Python 3 main.py. As you can see, we have a picture of the band, or in our case, pedestrians. Okay, if band members just walk like this in a crosswalk, they are pedestrians basically. So imagine you are very close to Paul McCartney or John Lennon and you don't want to hit them. Of course, if I was a driver, I didn't want to hit them because they were the greatest musicians of their age. So rest in peace, John Lennon. Okay. But let's do it a little bit better. So classifier is equal to this, but here we actually have a different cascade classifier. So let's do its full body. Okay, HAARCASCADE underscore full body .xml, and here classifier. Okay. I think we should call this like this. So let's print out the array and see what happens. So let's see the error. It says, okay, opencv has an error. Input file is invalid. HAARCASCADE. I'm not sure. I have another code, so let me just cheat a little bit. So it was a cascade classifier here, and let me remove this thing first. But something I really am surprised about is, let's find the error. Actually, input file is invalid in function open. It's a system error. Return a result with an error set. I don't know why. Classifier is equal to, okay, and this is also wrong. This was pretend, it should be print, of course. Okay, again it returned an error. Okay, it has the error here. A little bit of googling doesn't really hurt, but I guess the problem is with my XML file. So again, what we can do now, okay, please do not panic if you get these errors. We can simply just copy all this thing and go here and paste it and wait. Great. So we can remove a bunch of this stuff and let's see. No. Let's see here. Okay. I'm watching some errors. Class, okay. I guess it must be a little bit stupid to do, but let's do this. Okay. As you can see, so they say that thing is that might be corrupted. So okay, let me remove that and let me re-download it. Okay, and let me again, we get the same error, but here this guy says just add this. I don't know if it works or not, but it's actually worth a try. Yes, it's worth a try. So let's see. Okay, something we should do here is to put the image in a grayscale mode. So I call the gray image and I call this function and I pass the gray image to my classifier. And then, okay. But something is actually bugging me here, that it's not proper way to do this. So let me to search for pedestrians again and find some images of pedestrians. I don't know, maybe this woman image is not really bad. So save image as pedestrian1, and this code will be on my GitHub, so do not panic for that. Again, and here let me, okay, we didn't print it out. Okay, so as you can see, in that Beatles photo, it couldn't really find any bodies, I guess, but in this one, it could find this woman in the photo. So what we should do is actually getting information from each single party of this array and then draw a rectangle around them. It will be done by for x, y, w, and h in pedestrians. And then, okay, I prefer drawing a black or red rectangle around them, especially when we are dealing with cars. The next thing we might do is actually some distance estimation, but first let me find if this thing works or not. Okay, as you can see, it actually got this thing, but it didn't really get it very right. So let me just repeat this with pedestrians image we had. Okay, it didn't detect them. I think this full body classifier may have some problems, but if we try it with another image, I guess it might be working. I don't know. So as you can see, these people also try to replicate somehow the Abbey Road album cover. I like them. So let's just call this thing the crosswalk and save. And here I'm back in my VS Code. Actually, I wanted to use PyCharm, but not really. Okay. Crosswalk, and again, no pedestrians actually detected. So let's go and find if there is any HAARCASCADE for pedestrians or not, which I am not really sure about that. So it was really cool to have that pedestrian number 1 detected. Pedestrian 1. So something I really found about this type of classifier is, first, it is a good way actually, but second, the HAARCASCADE classifier for it is not good. If I found a good HAARCASCADE, I will let you know. If I didn't, I will make my own HAARCASCADE classifier for pedestrian estimation, actually pedestrian detection in our heads-up display, and then I will share it with you. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Until the next video, good luck.